This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Remington. Rare find in York County. Live your best life enjoying 4 garage bays, both attached and detached options, perfect for car lovers, storage, or workshop space on 0.64 acre. Inside, you'll appreciate the updated kitchen and baths, a bright, functional layout, and comfortable living spaces. Additionally, porch and expanded decking create great outdoor flow and room to entertain. Large private corner-level yard is ideal for play, gardening, or future projects and includes established fruit trees and gardening shed for added charm. Located in the Ilex area with easy access to York County schools, shopping bases, and major routes. Move-in ready and easy to show. December 7, 2025. For more information, review the details.